Hi guys, welcome to Thrive to the Rescue, where we make things out of freeze-dried food and help you understand how easy and convenient cooking with freeze-dried foods is. Today I just want to talk a little bit about chocolate. Of course, in my last segment I told you I'm back to the gym, I'm cooking healthy, and I did a quinoa bowl using veggies. Now, when you're eating healthy, it is so easy to go to the M&Ms, right? This was my go-to before I started eating healthy, and so today I thought, what if I just did a little sweet treat that was healthy? And we all know that this isn't exactly healthy, but today I'm going to feature two of our products here. One is the applesauce, and you can see inside that with a little water is going to turn into applesauce. And the only ingredient is apples. So very nutritious for you, easy to use. And the other ingredient is quinoa. It's become kind of my favorite go-to thing. But today we're gonna make some muffins out of quinoa. And these are delicious. They have chocolate in them, but they don't have all the heavy calorie fat stuff. So we've kind of modified everything and made them as healthy as possible, but I think you'll really like the way these turn out. Okay, so to get started, I've already, our instant quinoa, we just cook that up. I put in about 3 cups of water to 2 cups of quinoa. And the 2 cups of our instant freeze-dried quinoa makes about 2.5 cups. So that's 2 cups right there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 4 eggs. So here we go. And this is kind of a throw and go recipe. It's like throw everything in and then mush everything up and you've got brownie mix. So I love that because the easier the better for me. Okay, so now I took some almond milk and we're gonna put it in there. The next thing we're going to do is a teaspoon of vanilla. So just get your vanilla out, 1 teaspoon. Now you have a 1/2 cup of coconut oil. We'll just stir that around in there. Very healthy for you, not as bad as the canolas and things like that. Coconut's really great for you. Okay, so then you need the applesauce. Now it called for 1/3 cup of applesauce, and our applesauce grows, so this is way more than 1/3 cup. So tread lightly on the, but I'm gonna put exactly 1/3 cup into our recipe here. So there it is, isn't that beautiful? There you go. And then we're gonna add in some sugar. You can add in stevia, xylitol, what else does she say? You can add honey. Now, for all the people out there that get kind of headaches or have adverse reactions to the sugar substitutes, I'm just gonna add regular sugar. Cane sugar is my favorite. I do wanna try the coconut sugar. I'm excited to use that. Maybe I'll use that in one of my recipes upcoming. But we're gonna add in a cup of sugar. We're gonna add in a cup, here's the chocolate. This is Hershey's unsweetened chocolate, not chocolate, baking.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder, thank you, Jeff. Cocoa powder. And then the last little ingredients here are, it calls for 1.5 baking powder. So here's our baking powder. So we've got 1.5 teaspoons of the baking powder. 1.5, and we've got a half, whoops, that was wrong. I need 1 more of these, because this is a half, so I need 3 of those for that. Okay, so that makes 1.5, and then the baking soda is just a 1/2 teaspoon, and the salt is also a 1/2 teaspoon. So, get that in there, whoops. Anyway, that's that. So, now you're ready to mix. Let me grab a spoon. And you are just gonna mix this all around. And this is going to make your quinoa muffin mix. See, it just looks like a cake mix. But the things that are, you know, doesn't have any flour, so this is a gluten-free recipe for all the gluten-freeers out there. This would be wonderful. And so I decided I'm not going to make it in the full muffin tin. I am going to make it in a smaller one. So what I do is I like to use these tiny little muffins. So if I'm just feeling like a sweet treat, I can just pop one of these in my mouth and go. I don't need the big old muffin. So I like these baby muffin ones. And so what you do is you'll just put your liners in there, and then I like to squirt each one with your Pam or cooking oil, whatever you've got. It just makes so they just pop right out of there. And so I do, let me see if I can find my cookie scooper over here. Where's my cookie scooper? So I take something small. Let's take a spoon because that'll work for right now. And you're going to fill this all the way up. So they don't rise very much. So you definitely want to fill these little cups up as much as you can. Maybe even a little bit more than that. Okay. Your little cookie scoop that you make, dough cookies, will probably work out a little better. But then you're going to turn the oven on 350. You're going to cook these for 15 to 16 minutes, and they should be done. And they pop out real nicely. And so we'll show a picture of what they look like after they're done, and also we'll provide you with the recipe. Super easy, and it allows you to have some little muffins that you can go to and just have as a sweet treat. No more M&Ms. So go ahead and comment below if you have a recipe you would like me to try on Thrive to the Rescue. We have some great specials going on this month, so message me if you'd like to know what those specials are. And if you like this, like it, Thrive to the Rescue. Oh, join. You can join Thrive to the Rescue, or if you know others that would enjoy these videos, please have them join. Thank you, you guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.